Try it again.
Oh.
Oh. Good morning.
Shall I set off?
Yeah, go on.
But you told everybody not to vlog and drive the other day. What is that on the dashboard?
No, it's because I wasn't. Well, no. To be fair, it was fine. I was paying attention. You just fell.
Everybody listen to the bottom of Georgie's car die. Don't get a student house, everyone, where the ramp into your garden is as big as Mount Everest and therefore scrapes the bottom of your vehicle and is an absolute trauma to get into. Love that.
It's at a weird angle because he tried to film us twice already and the camera just kept on falling, so you're at an angle. You can see the nice bit of
Double
Georgie's
chin.
roof.
Yeah, you can see
So we're
all
going
of
to
it.
Living North there, which is at Kingston Park.
And to check out our competition.
Yes, because we were going to exhibit here. There's a lot of dollar.
It was so expensive for the 4 days, but as well there's a high chance that people that exhibit here will be at the other Newcastle fair that we're going to be at in 2 weeks. So not checking out the competition, but we just want to get some ideas on like stall setup, things like that. There's also 2 other girls that we know who run their own businesses that are here, so that'll be fun to see how they do it.
But yeah, so we're just
having a little day out today. We're going to a bonfire tonight, which will be exciting.
At the seaside.
At the seaside. This angle is just working wonders.
I don't know how we did it in my car all the way to Manchester.
Your sat-nav thing. It's where we attached it to a mount.
No, we did it with my camera, not my phone.
Goodness, guys, it's so windy today. Was it left at this one?
No, you go straight on.
Like down there.
Yeah.
We've got quite a fun week ahead now. I feel like the first 2 days of Vlogember weren't the most
It's just getting used to.
Well, one
up
is
the
kind
camera.
of remembering to do it, and then we've just had very kind of like normal days, whereas now like it's the weekend, so we're doing stuff this weekend, and then next week it's what we have these back weeks at uni, so we're not timetabled in as much, but we've got other stuff to be doing. So
it's like other people have reading weeks, we have customer weeks where we actually have to do stuff. Don't vlog and drive. So yeah, so I mean that could be interesting, it could be fun. So we have a lot of spare time next week. So we think we're going to polish off quite a few of our like stuff we want to tick off in Newcastle.
And prepare for the other week, the next weekend, because that will be the fair.
It will. Can I turn the heating down? It's very warm. Oh, I'm just very warm. Probably out flush. Oh, red light.
No, Amber, everybody, don't panic.
No, I know. I'm only joking. Only joking.
Always safe with Georgie.
Always safe with Georgie. Always safe with me too, to be fair. We're very safe drivers.
Well, we were meant to go watch. We've support 2 teams ATM, sport-wise.
One football, one rugby.
They're
both failed.
We were meant to be going to watch the football on Sunday. We went last week to support some of the course guys. Not playing this week, are they? Injured, ill.
Samuel.
And
Ill,
then,
he's ill.
well, it's just grouping together
injured.
the problems. And then we're off to watch the rugby on Wednesday. We'll take you there.
Yeah. Should be fun.
Big up.
Big up. Big up the leg. We're not moving.
Sat in traffic, people. There's a whole row of empty spaces here.
But we're not allowed to park.
And there's a parking attendant just looking at us dead. He looks bored out of his brain.
There's cars in front of us.
There's people dodging the system, causing more chaos.
Yeah, but that woman, if she went that way, she's gonna get told to turn around because.
Yeah, look at the flow. They're organised. I'll give them that.
Yeah, they are organised.
I'd love to know where we're going to go because it looks like we're going under that stand. Also, I told Lydia it was all inside and we were going to be warm, so we didn't bring jackets. She
So
took
I
her
took my
jacket
coat
off.
off, my big, nice, warm coat, and then put on like a cardigan thing.
Half the stands are on the rugby pitch.
It's outside. Outside.
It's so windy.
That's going to make it cold.
Should we follow these ladies back to their car and we can pull in their space?
Or ditch the car.
If they go round there, I can skirt round.
True.
They're right. Oh no, she's moving a cone. If anyone's got a brain cell in them, that white car is in perfect line with her beer. I think she's having a technical problem. She can't lift the cone.
I've lifted one of those cones before. Up about 4 flights of stairs. They're not that heavy. I mean, they are heavy.
They're heavier than you think, though, aren't they?
Are. What's that one?
Here we go. Here we go, honeys.
Movement. Move.
Look, now he's going to cause a... Oh. Don't come to public events, people. It's not worth it.
Don't check out your competition. It ain't gonna work. I want to. Do you think there's just a standard Living North like
goodie bags?
Yeah.
We love ourselves a goodie. What is that lady doing with all the?
They're just reversing that car back.
We've got a system breaker. Yeah, so she's gonna go in that bay. Look, you see?
Okay.
I do see the logic, people. But
logical.
Look, we could have got in there. We'll follow the system.
We're moving. We may or may not have ordered Domino's.
This is our first takeaway in this house.
Oh, we had one with your mum. But our first
like
proper.
The first night.
So we're gonna put something on TV and then eat our pizza.
Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for.
Guys, I just wanted to show you what we bought today at this Christmas market. So there was how many exhibitors? 250 exhibitors. Any wild guesses what we went and purchased? Can you read this? They're peanuts.
I don't even like nuts. I like them.
They were really good actually. I just think it's hilarious that we paid £8 to get into a Christmas market and we bought peanuts.
You're not going to elaborate on what famous we got?
Oh. How interesting that is. A classic sea salt, love that. Bollywood barbecue, they were really good. I'm excited about those ones. And these are hot toffee, caramelised jumbo peanuts with... I got really short of breath then and I couldn't concentrate. With just a hint of hot chilli. But they were like popcorny, they were like really like bigger but like knobbly almost, weren't they, on the outside? Like really toasty. Time, I'm just getting on, just doing my jobs because I might fall asleep.
And then I've just got the vlog uploading to YouTube now. For tonight.
Woohoo! Becca was in yesterday's vlog so much. Do you like seeing our friends? Also, did you see she's using our journal? We got some other customer pictures, so we're going to keep putting them on the gram.
We are. Anyway.
That was a really nice yawn in the background there for people to hear.
I'm tired. Oh god.
I wish I could get close enough so I could feel the heat.
You can't
do
get
that
that.
These big ones. Can you
The illegal ones. Classic dance. Dad dance.